spots a workaround. A dead orchid bee with pockets full of scent that can be stolen. But it could turn out to be one big mistake, because at last the Stanhopea has burst into flower, and our hero is right there to cash in. Now he can get the final ingredient, the secret sauce. But it doesn't come for free. The orchid deposits pollen on his back. So this bee will fertilize the next Stanhopea he visits, ensuring the orchid's future. In the meantime, he's completed his ultimate perfume. And once a female gets a whiff of it, the chemistry will be perfect.